Bago po natin simulan ang tour dito sa Kamali.
This is our way of enticing our students to enroll in agricultural fields so that we can sustain the agriculture in the country, being the flagship program of our government, and that is on food security and food production. So kami ay nagpapasalamat sa ngalan ng Central Luzon State University. Kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa pagbisita at kami ay umaasa na meron kayong matututunan at maibalita naman sa iba't ibang bahagi ng bansa natin na meron ditong kanali na nag-advocate ng agriculture dito sa ating bansa. Maraming salamat po.
Okay, si Ma'am, Sir, para po simulan ang paglilibot po natin dito sa Kamali. Dito po sa Coral of Kamali University Project na so, while going there po, Kamalig has contains of 8 stations, namely Coral, Pulot-Lukutan, Saliksikan, Lambat, Gakan, Agritahanan, Salahod, Tumana, and Pinita.
Kami po, tatlong beses po kami nagpunta dito on the way to prepare. Sumalubong po sa amin
Mga bees. Oh, technology on forage management, the food system,
the legume strata, biogas facilities, and the midway cross technology, which is the highlight of Coral, the cross-breeding of 3 different breed of fruits.
So to further explain the technology here in Coral,
We have our technical expert, Sir Neil A. Del Rosario.
So dito po makikita naman natin ang different grades that we are facing in the Central Luzon State University, of course in partnership with the Department of Agriculture. We have the dual purpose grade, which is added the pit dose, the mower, which is the meat breed, and our homegrown breed developed by the Central Luzon State University, the three-way cross group. So ito po, lahat ito natin to upgrade the existing herd of the Philippine native. Pagbago yung alaala natin, pwede natin improve yung performance ng mga sa pamamagitan po ng cross-breeding or upgrading na pumuntos po nila. So yung three-way cross naman po, college mo, mas maganda po ang cross. Three-way cross.
wow!
Ano yung performance ng ating native bulang po yung nila. Pero using the grading technology, it increases to 27 kilos up to 35.
Okay po, sabay-sabay po natin i-harvest yung days.
Ayaw.
May supporting na yung ay, may yung ano yung hindi na start ito parang share.
Sir, mauubusin niyo ito agad? Ay, alam mo yung paano yun?
Papadede tayo na.
Gusto ko magpasuso.
Papadede tayo.
Ay, mauubusin agad to?
Sa Joey.
Hi, baby!
Gusto mo magpasuso?
Papadede tayo ng
Wala na pong dyan eh.
wow!
Walang ano eh.
Ang lakas niya.
Kasi Yusuf na yun.
Ang lakas mo sumupsup ah. Ang lakas ng supsup mo ah. Gutom na gutom ka?
Miguel, tira mo kami, papasuso kami.
Ay, gutom na gutom. Wow.
Ano pong ga?
Yung graphic ko ng tomato and egg. Kaya ako pinag-itagalan ko.
Good morning po. Dito po tayo sa ating next station ng Lambat. Ayan. To be highlighted in the section of Lambat. And to further explain and to be more fascinated and more knowledgeable about those technologies,
we have here our FAC Director, Dr. Carl Marx A. Tiazon.
Pwede po ba maka-reaction nyo? Sir, harap ka dito. Hello!
Si rescue and other so nakakatulong po sa ngayon
Ayaw mo sa radyo,
Ilang kilo po yan ganyan, sir?
Tatlo, sir.
so
Tatlong kilo. Tatlong kilo, sir.
meron po available ng mga
Tatlo, sir.
na kung saan ibinibigay ko o yung sa akin
Yes, sir.
ng archery operators.
Here we have solar-powered multi-purpose machine farm. This is an improved version of the solar-powered quadrilaser. So this one, we try to improve
Parte dito, sir.
this version. We add the additional functions. So this vehicle has 4 main functions.
Para kang baby, mahawa.
Service, and it can be used for hauling agricultural products and farm inputs with the use of the
Hindi ito mamamatay sa ganito.
and then we also introduce
Huwag lang matagal
here as the implement, and in addition we have here the addition of surface pump can be used for irrigation. So these two are the solar powered farm machinery. And right here on this side, we powered biomass shredder. So this is powered by two
Babae po ito. Babae.
Ilang taon?
each solar powered biomass,
Mga 3 kilo.
1 HP motor, and
Baka naman na. Baba na. Ano pangalan? Hello, Giant Chihuahua.
so this one, so it can power 1 HP for the biomass shredder, and it can also be used.
Temperature and the humidity.
Po is what we call the tower garden. No po, SepEd is meron na silang setup nito at ito po ay in-integrate na doon sa kanilang curriculum sa school. Where yung ating mga estudyante ngayon, kung tayo
Kami ay nagpapasalamat. Malaking bagay po ito sa aming pamantasan sapagkat kahit na papano ay mailalahad at maikakalat kung ano ang talagang ginagawa namin dito upang mapaigting ang agrikultura sa Pilipinas.